What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have my final thoughts on the Umidigi F1. I've done a series of videos on the Umidigi F1 and now it's time to give you my thoughts. I'm going to try to keep this short. I do my reviews based on MKHD 5 pillars of a great smartphone, and that goes with build quality, display, performance, battery life, and camera. So let's start with build quality. The build quality on the Umidigi F1 is great. It's an all aluminum design. It's great feel in hand. It kind of resembles the iPhone, but it has its unique features. It has a fingerprint reader on the back. The display is nice. Overall, it's a all well-rounded built phone. I don't think there's any indications of plastic in this phone, but ultimately they use premium materials and it makes for a premium feel in hand. Number two, the display. The display is a great looking 1080p 18:9 aspect ratio display. It's crisp, it's bright, and the colors are very vibrant. There's nothing else I can say about the display. I can't think anything bad I can say. The only thing is it's not an OLED display. The notch on a display is a well-liked notch design. It's not the best because no notch is probably the best, but if it's gonna have a notch, they did go with a great teardrop design, which I think is the best notch design out there. It's a great display. It's not going to disappoint you, especially at a $200 price point. The display looks phenomenal. Now, performance. It does have a Helio P60, and you know, man, those Helio P60 processors from MediaTek, you get a lot of oomph for your buck. They're great processors, maybe not the greatest at gaming, but you can run a majority of games out there. I think the only game that it won't run is Fortnite, and because this is a mid-tier processor, Epic Games doesn't quite support the P60. I know it supports the P70, and I'm looking forward to grabbing a device with the P7 to test that. But overall, you're not going to be disappointed with the P60 paired with Android Pie. Yes, this budget phone has Android Pie. Performance has been great. The only thing I can say is software updates. The latest software update broke third-party launchers on the device, but if you can live with the stock launcher, which is similar to a Pixel launcher, not quite, but very stockish, no options for customization. If you can live with that launcher, then you shouldn't have any issues. If you can't live without third-party launchers, then I suggest you wait until they get that bug fixed. Battery life. I don't know what else to say, man. This thing has a 5,150 milliamp hour battery. You get battery for days. This thing performs. It's gonna last you days, man. There's nothing I can say about this device in the battery section that's bad. There's one thing I can think about: no wireless charging. But besides that, you really don't need a wireless charge when you got a battery lasting you 24 hours. This thing's gonna last you 24 hours. It's gonna maybe take you into 2 to 3 days. If you're looking for a phone and battery is an absolutely important must-have for your smartphone buying decision, then look no further, man, because this battery on the Umidigi F1 is a beast. Woo! Let's talk about the cameras. The cameras are not great, but they're not bad either. You know, they suffer a little bit in low light. Links to all my previous videos is going to be in the description below, so if you want to go ahead and take a look at some samples, you can. Out there in decent light, you do get some decent pictures, but I think the app itself kind of holds the phone back. You can try a third-party app like I mentioned in one of my videos, but it does help a little, but not just quite. The camera is one of the weak points of this phone. If you absolutely need to have the best camera out there, then you probably are not going to enjoy this phone. But this is a budget phone, so not a lot of budget phones have great cameras out there. And if that's not important to you, and you can oversee past the camera, and you just say, I just want something decent I can post on Instagram, it's gonna look good, then this phone's gonna be for you. That camera can do that. It's great for everyday posting online, but you're not gonna get the wow factor out of these pictures. So let's recap a little bit. I think I can recommend this phone to you guys if you guys are looking for a great budget phone right now, especially an up-to-date budget phone, because it is Android Pie. Great battery life, great display, great build quality. The only thing it kind of suffers is in the camera department, but if you can look past that, this phone will be a great asset in your pocket. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Links to all my Umidigi F1 videos will be in the description, as well as the link to Amazon if you decide to pick this phone up for yourself. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.